Do you need to exercise on the keto diet? No, you don't need to exercise, but I strongly recommend you do some kind of physical activity. Look, to lose weight, all you need to do is eat in a calorie deficit and you can sit on your bum all day and do that. But is that the best way to do it? No. I strongly suggest that you exercise. Do both cardio and weight training. Each has a purpose. Lifting weights and resistance training will help you build and maintain your lean muscle so that when you do lose the weight, you don't look like a dehydrated grape. Cardio is good for your overall health and well-being, and it also helps you burn more calories. Now look, if you hate exercise and you don't want to go to the gym, do some kind of physical activity. Maybe go for a hike, maybe dancing, or if you're like me, you can play the drums even. All I'm saying is do some form of physical activity. If you have any keto questions, comment below. Until the next video, cheers and keep cooking.